In this video, we're going to discuss the potential benefits of bee propolis. Okay, what is bee propolis? It's bee glue. Okay, so it's a natural resin that has been known for a very long time, for centuries, used by many cultures. And this substance is created when the bee goes out into nature and extracts certain flowers and certain buds and mixes it with saliva. So propolis is basically a combination of various things in plants, in the buds of plants, and saliva. And there's a lot of different chemical compounds in this substance. It comes from the Greek pro, at the entrance, and polis, community or city. So the bees will use it as a barrier or a protective type coating on their beehive, so you don't have any foreign invaders that get in there. But here's the thing, there's been quite a bit of research done on this substance. Yes, it's been done in vitro in a little test tube outside the body, but a lot of the research that's being done right now shows benefit as an antibacterial, antiviral, anti-fungal, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant effect, anti-tumor. So I just want to cover a few of the things that people are getting some great results with. Mouth ulcers, wound healing, especially topical burns or cuts, allergies, sinus problems, flu because the antiviral, upper respiratory infections, which usually is viral, can be bacterial too, the common cold. Also, just to use it to decrease fevers. So I'm going to put some links down below so you can check it out. But it's definitely something to look at as a potential benefit for any of these conditions right here. All right, thanks for watching. Hey guys, I'm not sure if you have my app yet, Dr.Berg app. It's totally free. You should download it. Okay, this is what it looks like. You click it. It gives you all sorts of great resources. I have all my YouTube videos on this app. Okay, and it's regularly uploading the most recent ones. All the YouTube videos are also converted to audio versions, okay? So you can use it when you're walking, exercising, driving your car. I have a mini course on there. I'll be putting additional courses. I have a lot of recipes on there. This is new. And also PDF resources. So there's various downloads, PDFs that you can get as well. And if you wouldn't mind, after you download it, check it out, give me your unbiased review and tell me how you like it. I want to know.